Hello, how are you, my friend? Thank you for staying around to watch the video about sign language. Hopefully, you have watched the first video we put up on this channel. Today, we are going to learn about numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I will stop on those because the way we have been doing numbers 20 to 30, it is the same as we are doing the next numbers from 20 to 100. But what about 1000? You sign 1, 0, 0, 0, or 1, 0, 0, 0. If you are speaking very fast, you sign 1, If it is 10,000, it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you are signing very fast, you sign 1, 0, I will give you one last number, 1 million. Thank you for watching. We meet again in the next video.